ShenZhen M2 Import and Export Limited with brands M2 Display and M2 Retail and MMM Display. Founded in 2015, a leading manufacturer of custom retail store and mall kiosks. We offer one-stop solutions including design, manufacturing, shipping, and installation services worldwide. We specialize in customized mid to high-end commercial display solutions for a wide range of retail sectors, including beauty salons, cosmetics and ready stores, jewelry and watch retailers, mobile phone shops, F&B kiosks, and fashion boutiques. Our kiosk and shop fitting products are crafted using premium materials such as fur-rated plywood board, MDF, stainless steel, tempered glass, acrylic, marble, and other durable finishes to ensure both aesthetic appeal and long-term performance. Over the past decade, we've delivered 1,000+ projects for store owners, designers, and contractors, including 100+ Westfield Mall projects in USA, UKCA, AUEU, and more, with related CE, FCC, ULLSA, and fire-rated certificates. To match with your budget, we offer flexible solutions that blend customized designs with carefully selected standard components. Our team pays attention to every detail from store aesthetics to material color coordination, aims to maximize your product display, increase store sales performance. Plus, our experienced installation team provides on-site support to guarantee a smooth setup and a perfect final presentation. With experienced design and engineering teams, we deliver tailored solutions that help brands' growth and expansion. Whether you're launching a new kiosk or revamping your store layout, we turn your vision into reality with practical, functional, and on-brand display designs. Your vision we build. Taught your dream store with M2 Display. Let's make it real. Inquire now.